welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this double unwrapping for you guys to check it out. I purchased one of this before. It's the black decal for the car. So I believe this one is a black and red one. So I purchased another set again. So let's go ahead and open this up. So somehow this one is kind of messed up. And it is not black and red. So the edge is all crumped up. Let's see. So again, got the emergency 911 response. The checker racing flags. You got the Momo Sparkle, HKS Champions, FIA World Rally Champion, WRC, and then Momo again. So hopefully the other one is black and red, so also I'm gonna have problem with the seller. I put on the checkout note. Maybe they didn't read it, so. Yeah, so we're gonna have a problem because this one is black. I don't see any red. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.